Welcome to the Country High Dance Academy. So good to have you here. Let me take you on a quick walkthrough. This is your dashboard. This is the content overview of your membership, either in the left section in the menu or in the big section in the center. The first tile on top shows direct links to your courses, to the community, and to bookmarks. In the right tile, you'll find the actual status of the course you're currently taking. Underneath, you'll find the bundles you have access to inside your membership. So this might look different to your dashboard. Followed by so-called hubs or info points, your point of information about settings, events, or other offers from Country High. All information is either in this section or in the menu section on the left-hand side. If you want to attend a course, just click in and go along your way. And please do give us feedback so we can learn and thrive together. Use the reading marks inside the courses because with the growing amount of dances inside the academy, this will help you orientate. So, this is how the courses are displayed. For instance, my forest. If you want to bookmark it, you click in, you go on the bottom of the first demonstration, and you just click add to the bookmark. So, in order to first watch and see if you like the dance, you can straight away bookmark it and find it later. For instance, in the menu on the left-hand side or inside the bookmark, inside the dashboard, here in my courses, community, there, bookmarks. We invite you also to use the community space to exchange, to meet, and to share moments that you love about line dance. Inside the community, there are 2 forums. One forum is for everyone. This is the Academy family. And you see, it's so lovely to have you here. You can see this. For teachers only, there is a separate forum. This is what we call the closed space for teachers. So, now, we do invite you to the Academy. We are so happy to have you here. And we hope that you are enjoying your journey of learning, of thriving, and dancing together, even if you're not in one room.